It's just me and my old house. First step. Hey, Joe, what you doing? You out for a walk? I did this block.
He farted as he left.
There she is. There's Annalie. Hang on, Annalie. I'm coming. It's them. Look at her. So happy. Almost like she belongs there. They look like a real family. I can't take her away from this.
What's happening? He's not gonna go through with it. It's a nice family, and the kid will be better off here.
Oh, that's sweet. What's the inside of the house look like?
Colonial. Furniture's pretty good. Possibly imported alien.
Oh, that's fine. But for the money you're spending, you know, it's not a bad way to go.
Yeah, for the money. You ready to go, Frank, man? You know, I gotta tell you, I think you did a good thing.
I guess I just realized it's not about me. This family is what's best for Annalie. This is her home now. I gotta let her go.
I'm proud of you, Quagmire.
Who knows? Maybe I'll fit into her in 18 years. Did you really think I was gonna change that? Get out, everybody!
Don't go anywhere. Another episode of Family on TBS. But we're real good, old-fashioned values. Which we used to rely on.
Hey, Quagmire, how was your date last night?
Cleveland, it was amazing. You know what I discovered last night? Women have a fourth pole. What? Yeah. I mean, it's only visible if you're looking from exactly the right angle, like the entrance to Hogwarts. But you gotta believe that it's there.
Man, I envy you single guys. No
I guess it's over.
whatever you want. These are the only
That's
people I
cute.
get to party with.
That's where the fourth hole is, right there. Right there in the back of the knee.